What's up, guys? It's me, G. What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy. So here's the Nessie, yes, the Blue Nessie adapter USB microphone. Normally, I use to have my audio studio because my major is in audio engineering. As you can see in my old video, I have a mixer, I have the XLR microphone, I have the one of the best Shure microphone, dynamic microphone. This is not dynamic. If you need to reduce the background noise, always buy a dynamic microphone. You can buy from the Audio Technica. I mean, I will the ATR 2100 I will recommend, but again, this one I was getting a good deal. This is the condenser microphone. I don't know how well it will try to reduce the background noise. So here we go. It have a built-in pop filter. This is like only one. I mean, personally, it's awesome. This one I bought it like as a really new from Amazon. So here we go. Okay. Okay, here we go. We got some kind of like manual, as you can see. Okay, nothing special. And here's the Blue Nessie! Do you think there's a Blue Nessie monster out there? This finally I discovered the Blue Nessie monster. Did I discover wrong? Oh, my Blue Nessie is falling down. Can the camera focus or not? So yeah, let me just put everything aside. Okay. And sorry because I was making a video because it's about a renew. I will make another video in which you can see I have to clean this up. I mean, you see there's so much dirt. Literally seems someone have masturbated on my Nessie. But enough with that. As you can see, this is the volume control, and this is the music device. This is the raw. This is the headphone jack, which is good. The good thing is that it do not use the old like printer USB. It uses the micro USB. I mean, I like the head. It's a swivel head, to be honest with you. Okay, but now I wanna bring my laptop here. As you can see, my beautiful OLED laptop. Come here. Okay, here's my laptop. I wanna connect it and then show you. Okay, just 1 minute, let me just connect it. Finally I'm going to connect it. As you can see right now, just recording with my Osmo Pocket, so the audio you're hearing from the Osmo Pocket. Okay, let me just connect it. Okay, it seems like it's working. I think so. Device manager. Okay, device and printer. Okay, I think so, it's working. Let me just open the Audacity to see if it is working or not. Microphone USB advanced. Hello, can I see? Hello. I don't know why it's not working. It don't seem it's working, to be honest with you. Let me again go to the control panel and then let me go to sound, recording. Okay, USB microphone should be working, right? Okay, let me just open a new file. USB microphone, it need to be working, right? I think so, it need to be working. Okay, I don't know why it's not literally working right now, but wait, I'm just going to see the manual what the buttons mean. So right now you are just hearing the audio of the Osmo Pocket, and let me jump to the Nessie now. So right now hearing the audio on the Nessie in the raw mode. Yes, in the raw mode the gain is like here, the gain is somewhere like around 60%. Now it's the voice mode, and then now it's the music mode. So you need to be the judge how good is the audio and which is the best audio mode. I mean, right now you're just hearing the audio on the Nessie in the music mode. Now is the voice mode. You need to be the judge how good is the audio. To my ears it seems quite good. At the end of the day, yes, it seems quite good. I mean, can I recommend that? I mean, again, it depends. Audio is quite clear. I'm literally quite happy with it. I mean, it's all in one. It have a mount. It have a micro USB. It have a headphone monitoring. Everything is like awesome. Yes, I can easily recommend it. It was me, Geek. Subscribe and bye.